Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kamal. Happy birthday.
Meet the girls. Meet the girls. What's that type?
And it's a pink knife. Well done.
All right. Hope you have a roaring good time. This is to roar. This is to roar, everybody.
Roar!
Lovely.
Come on, Sadhana.
Please, Ben.
आओ आइए Happy birthday, sir. Looking lovely. No worries. क्या बात है? Please tell our viewers something about Roar.
इस फिल्म में आपको हम एक ऐसा जंगल दिखाएंगे, सुंदरबंस जो हैं, आपने काफ़ी सुना होगा सुंदरबन के बारे में। बहुत लोग ये नहीं जानते कि सुंदरबन कहाँ पर है। तो सबसे पहले मैं अपने ऑडियंस को ये बताना चाहूँगा कि सुंदरबंस जो है हिंदुस्तान और बांग्लादेश के बीच में समाया हुआ है। It's on the delta where the Ganges and the Brahmaputra drains out into the Bay of Bengal. And it is the most volatile, hostile yet spectacular jungle in the world. और मैं अपने हिसाब से personally I call it the Amazon of Asia. It is the most unique jungle. आज तक कभी किसी ने commercial cinema पर ऐसी location कभी दिखाई नहीं, ना देखी है। And हमारी कहानी जो है is about it's about a white tigress and her cubs. एक माँ अपने बच्चे को कैसे बचाना चाहती है, and it is about the human interference.
तुम क्यों इनकी मदद करना चाहते हो?
Roar is an out-and-out commercial film. It's an action-adventure film. I don't know. I mean, you know, people have this concept of masala. Masala is connected to, I think most people think it's connected to item numbers. It deals with animals, it deals with nature, which means it has a more universal audience here. So someone who's 6 years old is going to enjoy a film, someone who's 60 years is going to enjoy a film. To add to that, we're going to show you a new location which has never been seen before. To add to that, we have this ensemble of this great cast. So in all aspects, I would say Roar is one of the most commercial films to ever release. Or at par with any of the commercial films which are going to release.
Damn, ये किस जानवर से पाला पड़ा है?
शातिर और ताकतवर.
Who won't sign such a film? When initially I auditioned, they told me I'm gonna play commando. You know, we'll be shooting in Sundarbans, and there is tiger in the film. All these three keywords are like still ringing in my head. So who would say no to a film in which there are tigers? So the only question comes to your mind is like, how will they shoot with tigers? Now, if that is answered well, you go like, wow, 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 I want this film. So that's what happened with me. The moment they gave me a whole brief, how they're going to shoot the film, I was like, wow. So yeah, the wow factor was always there. So yeah, tiger is a big attraction. Tiger is the national animal of India and 4 or 5 other countries. He's the main hero.
What I think what drew me to the script and to this film was it was an excellent character. She's very intense. She's got a very positive role and a positive message. And the film itself was something I had never heard being done in Bollywood before. The kind of ideas that they had about how they were going to shoot it, how they were going to produce it, was just beyond me. And I literally, being called in and asked to do a role like this, I jumped at the opportunity. I don't think any of us, hopefully if we're lucky, will see a movie like this, you know, again, with the kind of VFX, the kind of, you know, the fact that we shot in the Sundarbans, a place that has never before been shot in for a commercial film like this. Everything, there were so many firsts for this film. So yeah, definitely, this was one of those, you know, once in a lifetime opportunities that I had to grab with both hands. And on the other hand, I mean, in the same way, I mean, Kamal Sadhana, Abiz Rizvi, such amazing, amazing people to work with, so intense, so passionate. I couldn't have actually asked for better leaders and better, you know, directors and producers for this film.
तुम क्यों इनकी मदद करना चाहते हो?
I've been born into a family of filmmakers. My first steps were on a film set. My father made films in the 60s, 70s, 80s. My uncles make films. So coming from a filmmaking background has always been my background, filmmaking background. I was an assistant director when I was 16. By the time I was 20, I was handling 2 productions at a time. I was also the first AD on many sets. I've always loved telling stories. Acting was great pleasure. It gave me great pleasure. I had a great time when I acted. When I decided to do this changeover and move over, get out of acting, it was a conscious decision. One day I remember telling my secretary, I don't want to sign any more films. I'm done. Then finally, when I settled down, as they say, when you mature, when you get married and you have children and you have responsibilities, and storytelling came naturally. It came naturally telling stories to my children. It came naturally telling stories to my wife, who doesn't have too much of patience. But that was always my passion. That was always my ambition. This is always what I wanted to do. I always considered myself to be the painter, not the painter. And I think most actors have a natural progression to come into filmmaking. It's just I progressed really faster.
Not good.
हमने ये फिल्म बनाई है रॉर. बड़ी मुश्किल, बड़ी तकलीफ़, बड़े प्यार के साथ हमने ये फिल्म बनाई है. आप हमारी कास्ट के साथ कास्ट को तो आप मिल चुके हैं. मैं ये प्रार्थना करता हूँ कि आप आएँ, हमारी फिल्म देखें. 31 अक्टूबर को लग रही है. हमारी कहानी जो है इज़ अबाउट a white tigress and her cubs. एक माँ अपने बच्चे को कैसे बचाना चाहती है. And it is about the human interference. And it is being performed by some really talented people. आप तो सब you all have been introduced to everybody. And it is a cast which has trained, worked really hard, and we went through 600 auditions before we found casts who were talented enough, who were strong enough, who were fit enough, and who were fantastic looking enough to perform in this film.